All right, y'all. We are back for day 2 of Windup Watch Fair Chicago. It's pretty packed in here. We're gonna stop at a few booths, maybe ask some questions, see some cool watches. But yeah, first time really getting a chance to pop into Windup. So this is gonna be fun.
Hey, how's it going today, guys? Welcome. You're here with Nivada Grenchen. Company started in 1926. A huge idea with the brand and ethos is to stay to its classic designs. So it's been a jet setter for a long time. In the 50s, the Antarctic watch here was actually worn by the U.S. expedition to Antarctica. At that time, the notion of a watch that had any kind of water resistance, shock absorption was completely new and phenomenal. So out of all the brands, they did go with Nivada Grenchen. Over the years, they continued their innovations. So the Chronomaster over here was kind of your do-it-all watch. It had dive capabilities while also being able to be a chronograph going up to 100 meters of water resistance. That was a huge deal at the time. In the 2019 release, actually, they've now created with interchangeable bezels. So you don't even need a tool, you can pull that off. It's actually the same with the Chrono King over here, and you can actually see some of the bezel options that we have, both with standard Greenwich Mean Time, but also we do it with the tachymeter as well. Over here, we have the F77. We come in multiple variations there, but that has become one of our most popular designs. This was original to Nivada Grenchen in the 70s, and so with the re-release, we've had a lot of fanfare, very excited about it. People are really clamoring for it. Then actually with Worn and Wound, this is a collaboration, limited edition piece. It just came out. So the Worn and Wound creative executive works in tandem with Nivada Grenchen. This is the third collaboration they've done together, and very excited to have this piece here at the Chicago Windup.
Cool, thank you.
Yeah, so this is the Shipyard Yellow edition of our Fior 555. Fior is actually like an Irish word that means true. The 555 is a little reference to our coordinates of Belfast. That's the longitude and latitude of Belfast, where all these watches are on the 70s.
Thank you.
So with all of our pieces, everything's hand assembled in Belfast. We use a Swiss-made movement for them. And then Connor right here is our head of watchmaking, so he's assembling every one of these pieces, adjusting it, regulating them for accuracy. Going to bring the amplitude of the watch right up there, so it's going to hold its time and makes the watch super accurate for the long term. So, good. Thank you. Thank you.
But yeah, all in all, Windup was a really good time. I will definitely be back. We'll for sure try to check out the Chicago one in the future, but really interested in checking out some of the other ones. I've heard the New York and San Francisco show are a bit bigger. You get to see more brands, so that sounds like fun as well. Would love to check that out. But overall, it's just a really good experience. If you're into watches, if you're just starting out, just getting into watches, especially looking at micro brands, independents, I would say it is for sure well worth the journey. If you got to travel a little bit to get there, I drove there from St. Louis to Chicago. Wasn't too bad of a drive, but well worth it. It's free entry. You get to see a lot of brands you only see online or on Instagram or on Reddit forums. So overall, I would say, check it out for yourself if you can. Also, in the comments, let me know which one of the watches were your favorites. If there's some that you saw that you were, didn't have on your radar, maybe they're on your radar now, feel free to let me know. Like, subscribe to the channel. Gonna be posting some more content soon, and I'll see you all next time.